In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how a bad wheel bearing noise looks like in your car. I know I got a bad wheel bearing in my Toyota Camry 2007. I went to my mechanic and he identified I have a bad wheel bearing in my left front. So when I drove back to my mechanic to repair it, I decided to capture that noise in my phone while I was driving, and look how the noise looks like when you have a bad wheel bearing. You will hear growling, grinding, very sharp noise while you are driving. So right now I am driving around in 50s and you can clearly hear the noise. Normally when you close down all your windows you don't hear much, but I got a really bad wheel bearing, so you can hear the sound very clearly and you can see the pitch changes when I change the speed of the car. Now you see I am slowing down a little bit. You see the pitch changes. So when you slow down you will see a lower pitch noise. When you speed up it will be a higher pitch noise. You see the noise is coming down, so the pitch is coming down. I am driving very slow now behind the truck to show you how the wheel bearing make the noise. I'm just making a turn. I'm going to speed up and see how the pitch changes when you speed up your car. There's another car in front of. Let me speed up in a bit and see how it increases. You see that it now increases. I got a really bad one. If I open my windows, the noise is unbearable. And if you have this kind of bad wheel bearing, you have to take it to the mechanic and immediately repair it, because the car can stop in the middle of the road when things breaks. So you need to be so careful when you drive with the bad wheel bearing. You see now I am speeding up the car and you can see the grinding, growling noise also increases with the increased speed. I got this fixed with my mechanic. I'm going to show you when I drive back after it got fixed. You see it has been fixed now and you see there are no noise at all. It's only the wind and the tire noise. If this video is helpful for you to identify the bad wheel bearing in your car, give me a thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification for more videos.